In this short video, we will go through the steps to import a bill of materials from a third-party system, such as an estimating program or modeling software. To get started, we'll open up a project that we set up earlier. To find your projects, you can either use the My Projects widget on your dashboard, or over on the right, the Utilities panel will slide out, and you can view your projects and select from this list here. If you need help creating a project, please refer to the Create a Project tutorial. So now our project is open, but we don't have any materials in the project list. There are several ways you can add items to a project. You can add from our search with a drag and drop, which we'll cover in a different video, but the easiest way to add items is to import a bill of materials. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the Import a BOM green button. When you click that, a new window will open, and the first option we have here is to select the file source. This is the authoring system from which the file has been exported. If you don't see your software listed here, please contact HPH and we will discuss options or add a new import. The next thing to select is the file path to the export file itself. So I will hit Browse, and on my computer, I will find my file I need to import. Once you find it, click on it and then select the Open option. Then hit Save. And now Sync is importing all of the information about that job. It'll capture the work breakdown structure, so the zone, the floor, the system. It'll capture quantities. Depending on the system, the file was generated, different information will be included, but we try to capture as much as we can to help you with the downstream activities. So one popular reason to import a bill of materials to a project is to put the items on an RFQ or a purchase order. So you can use the work that was done previously and not have to go through and reselect the items. Because this is web-based, we'll need to refresh the screen to see the items as they're being imported. So a few more things about the project. Up here in the left will be the filters that are dynamic to what was being brought in the file. So we can pick just one system if you want to view the items on that system. You can edit quantities or other fields within the grid. And there's lots of information that can come in, as I mentioned. So we've sliced it up into different views of the data. So there's the details view. We're on the buy price view here. There's also pack and tag if you needed to specify delivery, packaging, and labeling instructions. You can enter that here. And in another video, we cover the bulk editing functionality, but that will basically allow you to apply values to multiple items. So for the next steps, please refer to our next videos, such as how to create an RFQ or how to create a purchase order. Thanks for watching.